Healthcare is evolving, but most people still struggle to track fitness, medicines, and health data efficiently. That's why modern health apps have become essential. They help users monitor fitness, track vitals, set reminders, and take control of their lifestyle.
A powerful health app can track steps, heart rate, calories, sleep, water intake, medication schedules, and even connect with wearable devices. Health app development requires proper planning, UI/UX design, secure backend, smart integrations, and compliance with healthcare standards. Top technologies used include Flutter, React Native, Node.js, Python, AI-based analytics, and cloud platforms like AWS or Firebase. Health apps improve user lifestyle, boost patient-doctor communication, reduce hospital visits, and help businesses grow with data-driven insights. If you're planning to build a powerful health application, now is the perfect time.